How to set duration in Sora 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the top, there's a section called Image to Video. Simply tap on Image to Video. So this is the section where you can enter your prompt and easily create an AI video. Here, if you slowly scroll down, here there's a section called Duration. So simply tap on this drop down button. Here there are two options available, 5 or 10. So here you can set it. Now if you have a premium version of Sora 2, you can customize it to more. So after purchasing it, there are different facilities that are available, but for now you can set it to 5 or 10. Now you can simply enter the prompt and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.